Imagine opening a VINAMILK milk carton during breakfast. What you don't see is a long journey behind it, from raw milk collected on farms to high-tech UHT processing to packaging lines and finally traveling by truck the world. That tiny box tells a global logistics story, and today we are going to unpack it. VINAMILK claims a portfolio of nearly 250 different products across their categories: liquid milk, fresh milk, the powdered milk and infant or child nutrition formula, the condensed milk, unsweetened milk products, the yogurt and drinking yogurt, the ice cream, and chilled or frozen dairy dessert. VINAMILK's material flow begins upstream with raw milk sourced from both company-owned dairy farms, Nghệ An, Lâm Đồng, Thanh Hóa, and contracted farmers supported with training, veterinary care, and feed inputs. Farms receive inbound materials such as feed, water, equipment, and veterinary supplies. Raw milk is collected from contracted farmers, transported to collection center, and later on the storage center, where other milk will be moved to processing plants using the cold logistics. For packaging, materials come from supplies like Terric Park for UHT cartons, along with PET or HDPE bottles, collected from the public, plastic cups, aluminum leaf, and labeling materials. Downstream, products are distributed through the centralized warehouse and multiple channels, including traditional retail, supplied by the wholesaler to over 200,000 mom and pop shops, and over 600 VINAMILK stores, modern trade, supermarkets, and convenience stores, B2B customers, confectionery companies, schools, and hospitals. Reverse flows include product returns for expired or damaged goods, except fresh or chilled categories. Bottle and carton collection for recycling, farm byproduct recovery for biogas and fertilizer, and wastewater treatment and reuse to meet environmental standards. Next is the technology system VINAMILK used to operate its material flow. The factory automation, Tetra Plant Master. This system cleans every unit of the factory from input, processing, filling, packaging to output into one unified, fully automatic flow. 2. The smart warehouse, the WAMAS. With WAMAS, every pallet will be scanned and recorded through the barcodes or RFID technology and then located automatically by RGVs and staggered run robots. FIFO is the method WAMAS uses when there is a warehouse out request, which is suitable for ensuring goods quality. WAMAS helps automate storage processes, no manual forklift handling. The integration with SAP, ERP, and Tetra Plant Master ensure the seamless information flow to support the EOQ method, avoiding overstock and stoppages. 3. Autonomous logistic robots, the LGVs. Inside the factory, VINAMILK deploys the laser-guided vehicles, LGVs, to replace the traditional forklifts. These robots automatically calculated the shortest route to move the materials, transport packaging, raw materials, and finished goods safely and efficiently, reduce the labor costs, and minimizes the risk of product damage. Cloud-based AI system for POD, proof of delivery verification. In 2025, VINAMILK introduced an in-house AI-powered order coordination system for logistics, built on AWS. How the AI pod system supports the material flow, automatically analyzes delivery photos to verify successful delivery, check image quality, product labels, timestamp, and GPS coordinates, immediately synchronize results with the OMS and the TMS. Eliminates manual data entry errors, speed up the delivery confirmation, and shortens the payment cycles. Issue and solution. Currently, more than 55% of VINAMILK's fresh milk supply still comes from the smallholder farmers. Although VINAMILK maintains its milk procurement policy from household farmers with a minimum scale of 20 cows to both secure supply and support from the farming community, this model is generating the significant logistic pressures in practice. A fragmented collection network, long transportation distances, and a large number of collection points have driven up the logistic cost per unit of milk. While this decentralization sourcing model helps diversify supply risk, it also reduces the cost efficiency and overall the logistic performances. From a logistics perspective, the solution for VINAMILK is not to eliminate the smallholder farmers, but to restructure the milk procurement network following a cluster hub zone model, in which multiple farms are grouped into clusters and connected to the local collection hub before being transported to the processing plants. In addition, VINAMILK should co-invest in upstream logistic infrastructures for farmers through long-term procurement contracts, while also implementing the regional sourcing strategies and disaster-resilient buffer warehouses to enhance the overall resilience of the supply chain. In reality, VINAMILK has already implemented many important supply chain management initiatives. such as developing the high-tech dairy farms, setting up the regional collection stations, applying strict input quality controls, and diversifying sourcing across the north, central, and southern regions of Vietnam. However, advanced logistic solutions such as mandatory farm clustering and large-scale co-investment in upstream logistic infrastructure have not been fully implemented. This is mainly due to the extremely high investment cost, the legal limitations in reorganizing farmers, and the financial risk that the enterprise would have to assume. Therefore, the challenge of sourcing fresh milk from the smallholder farmers is not solely a business issue of VINAMILK, but also requires the coordinated support from the government's policies in terms of land use planning, infrastructure development, and sector-wide assistance, in order to build a more sustainable and efficient fresh milk supply chain in Vietnam in the long run.